Sample. Professional way of using chopstick. Yeah.
Korean sauce.
Korean sauce? Wow. Must try, must try. Lasa laang. Lasa bubblegum. Together with us is Mr. Park. Mr. Park, hi. This is the expert way of using chopstick. I'm feeling Korean. Yeah, right. This is how we use it. Okay, you pick it like this. Oh. And then, this is the Korean sauce. What do you call this?
초장.
Chojang. Yeah. Put some.
You know gochujang, same 초장.
Oh, it's like a spicy one?
konti lang.
Konti lang daw. Lasa lang. Siyempre. Up. It's good. Masarap. Delicious. This one is just like a kimchi.
Sauce is gochujang,
Gochujang
vinegar, sugar,
and sugar.
sesame oil,
Sesame oil. Oh.
some sesame.
So the flavor of sesame oil is very nice in the sauce.
So tteokbokki, same like sauce using tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
Very famous side food is tteokbokki.
Oh.
And this sauce
This is international cuisine. You must try.
very famous cuisine.
Yeah. So it's good. Then you will taste it like this.
Spice.
Kasam bubblegum. And then the pampano. It's also good for fish. Yeah.
Fish.
Also meat. It's very good. Delicious. This is what you call lying. Lying inside. This is lying.
Using chopstick.
Yeah, you must taste the lying. Parang taga Korea. Sarap na ang. Ito sarap. Tapos laing, mangang. Good. Yeah. When I was young, I'll try to use some chopstick. Thank you.
감사합니다.